We're just enjoying our flower just now, and now here.
Yeah.
Not bigger than this piece. All the cars stopping there. Did you see that?
Where?
In the crossing, you see, inside of the road. Two of them.
Well, that's the best thing you can do in a hailstorm.
Mm.
Otherwise, you can get a broken windshield.
Oh no. My flowers. Uh-oh, this is more bigger. Uh-oh, it's not breaking the greenhouse?
No.
It's so noisy
You
in
can
the...
hardly see that car.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's just like pouring with hailstorm. Look, I cannot see the car. Just two lights only. And the other
I
one
can't even
cannot.
see the two lights. Oh yeah.
The only the two lights in the behind is not. Cannot anymore. And this is very big already. Look.
Well, that's not very big. It's getting bigger, but it's not very big. When you get like this.
Look, all white already there. The garden all white.
Look at it running off the eave trusses.
Yeah.
Oh, can't handle it. Did you take a picture of that?
Yes, I take that.
Send that to Gina.